In this video, we're going to look at Quizizz. So we're going to go quizizz.com/admin. It'll prompt you to log in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to either create, and super user friendly over here. I would do create to create a new one. Let's type in, let's just do quiz. And now you have many different options here on what kind of questions you can choose. So let's just do multiple choice. And then what you'll see with each of these is a time allotment. And this is really, really important in terms of how much time you want kids to give on it, to take on it. Usually I do like 3 minutes, something that's very flexible and gives them plenty of time to think about it. And so you just add your question, and you can just keep adding questions in, open-ended as well, checkbox where they have to select multiple correct answers, polls, fill in the blank. You got different options here. And then, since I'm not messing with that one, I'm going to actually go to one that I have finished. So once you put everything in there, here's one on the stock market. So when I'm looking to run this, what I'm going to do is I have different options here. Solo practice, if I do share practice link, I can just send the students a link that they can practice on their own. What I really like is assigning homework. It allows you to give a due date, and then you pretty much, let's see, it gives them very, so I screenshot this usually and give them very clear instructions when it's due. You can also share the link if you'd like. So that's really nice. The other option that we have though is play live. This is what we do probably in class more. So if you think about it, this solo practice is kind of on their own. Assigning homework is you want to see their results, but they have to do it on their own as homework within a certain time period. And then playing live allows you to see live results. And so on their end, if I did play live or shared link, whichever one, it's very user friendly. Join my quiz, they type that in, they enter the game code, and then you start it. It's not going to let me start because no one's in here yet, but that's what they would do, and they'd be able to run it out. And that's pretty much how you get started with Quizizz. Now, if you can see the back end of it, you can see how students are doing, you can see overall how the class is doing, and you can also see individually how students are doing. So very good feedback and helpful practice for students, and different options with how it's played.